Air pollution. Air is essential for existence of life. Presence of harmful substances in air is called air pollution. Air pollution is caused by smoke emitted by industries, vehicles, and burning of plastic. It causes many respiratory diseases like asthma, bronchitis, etc. We can stop air pollution by reducing the smoke released in the air. Water pollution. Like air, water is also important for our survival. Presence of harmful substances in water is called water pollution. Domestic and industrial sewage pollute water. Activities such as washing clothes and bathing animals in the rivers also cause water pollution. Water pollution can cause diseases like diarrhea, jaundice, typhoid, etc. We can reduce water pollution by preventing disposal of waste into water. Soil pollution. Soil pollution results when harmful substances get mixed with soil. Industrial waste, fertilizers, pesticides, and insecticides pollute soil. Soil pollution reduces soil fertility. We can prevent soil pollution by reducing usage of fertilizers, pesticides, and insecticides. Noise pollution. Unwanted sound that disturbs the environment is called noise pollution. Noise pollution is caused by the movement of vehicles, honking of horns, use of loudspeakers, and running of machines in industries. Noise pollution disturbs the old and the ailing. It interferes with the studies of students. It can also result in deafness. We can prevent noise pollution by reducing unwanted sounds. Soil erosion. Soil erosion is the removal and transfer of soil by wind and water. Roots of plants hold the soil and prevent soil erosion. Cutting of plants increases soil erosion. We can prevent soil erosion by planting more trees and plants. Chipko movement. Chipko movement began in Uttarakhand in India in the year 1973 to prevent the cutting of trees. It was called the Chipko movement because during the movement, villagers protected trees from woodcutters by hugging them. Cleaning of surroundings. We should keep our surroundings clean in order to remain healthy. We should keep the rubbish in dustbins, not allow colony drains to overflow, maintain the parks in the neighborhood, avoid use of plastics, plant trees in the neighborhood.